Hi everybody, it's Hannah at Heyl. Today, Chris Josten, our Estherville, Iowa terminal manager, is going to show you how to add fuel additives to your fuel and teach you how to properly install a winter front on your truck. As always, be sure to click that big red subscribe button below and like this video.
Hey guys, this is Chris, and we're going to talk about our winter weather procedures and diesel fuel additives. In my hands here, I have our Penray biodiesel blend. This is our preferred additive in the winter weather conditions. This bottle treats 250 gallons of fuel. So think of it this way, guys. This will treat your tractor and your trailer, one bottle, completely full. Keep this in the cab of your truck so it's nice and warm. Add it to your tanks, then fuel up. If you can't find the biodiesel blend, this is our second choice. Once again, keep this in the cab of your truck so it stays nice and warm. Add it to your tanks before you fuel up. Then add your fuel. This bottle also treats 250 gallons. So this one fuel would treat your entire truck and trailer. And this is for emergency use only. The only time you should ever use this red bottle here is if your tractor or your trailer is already starting to gel. It must be actively gelling before you put this in. Otherwise, you could cause damage to the engine. This bottle treats 125 gallons. Hey guys, this is Chris. Today we're going to talk about how to properly install a winter front on our Freightliner Cascadia tractors. First thing I want to show you is we got our 4 attachment points at the top. These are a plastic hook right here at the top. Down at the bottom, there's also little plastic tabs here too, but to make it easier, we put a zip tie down here. Otherwise, sliding this Velcro through that little plastic tab is really hard. So to properly install this, you take these little hooks right here and you clip them on the top, just like this. Once you have these on the top, these little tabs actually push in and they lock that into place. Then you take this Velcro, slide it through your little zip tie on the bottom there, and affix it like that. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tie that down like that. That is properly installed. You want to put this on when the temperature gets below 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and when the temperature gets above 36 degrees Fahrenheit, you want to take it off and properly store it in the cab of your truck. The one we're looking at right now, brand new T680 Kenworth, has the snaps to affix it. The other style that we have on our Kenworth is a turnbuckle system, which I'll show you in just a minute. When the temperature gets below 30 degrees Fahrenheit, you want to grab this out of your side box of your truck, unfold it, and then make sure all your snaps are on there, and then simply snap right here in the front. I usually start at the top, work my way across, just like that. Make sure you get every one of these snapped, guys. Otherwise, this thing will flap off in the wind and go flying down the road. Once you got it snapped, go ahead, close up your gear guard, and there you go. Remember, this goes on when it gets below 30 degrees ambient temperature and comes off when it gets above 36 degrees ambient temperature. Hey guys, this is Chris again. As promised, we're gonna put the winter front on this Kenworth here with the turnbuckle style this time instead of the snaps. First thing you wanna do is you wanna make sure all your turnbuckles are in line, just like this. That way you can actually get that turnbuckle on there without too many issues. Once it's all in line, you gotta make sure it's right side up and right side out. So we're right side up. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on right there. Just like that. Just work your way around. I like to go around the outside and then work my way in. You can do it however you want. Just make sure you get all of these turnbuckles tightened. Remember, we want to put this on when our temperature gets below 30 degrees ambient temperature. Take it off when it gets above 36 degrees ambient temperature. Ooh, it says right there, make sure it's off above 40.